Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch C2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Wear OS application on our phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see your C2 Plus right here. Now scroll down through this page, find the advanced settings and tap on it. And here you should see the Unpair Watch button. Tap on the Unpair Watch, tap on Unpair Watch, and wait. The watch will disappear from the Wear OS app. You will see the welcome page, and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings after a second or two, or maybe a bit more, maybe couple seconds. Let's check. It's still not resetting. Oh, now it is, as you can see. So basically, now it's gonna reset itself to the factory default settings. It will take a minute or two, so you can wait. But basically that's it. That's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.